Our problem statement number is 25079. The problem statement is software other than a circuit breaker that can be used to detect and turn off LT lines when the line breaks. LT lines means low tension lines that transfer the electricity to villages in rural areas. In Kerala, when there is floods, there is high chance that the wire can snap on the LT line or the pole can fall. We are generating a solution that is different than traditional way. The traditional way was circuit breaker, which used to cut off the power, but we are generating a software-based solution. We have connected current, voltage, and tilt sensor to a ESP32, and the data from ESP32 is sent to backend, which shows the real-time data on front end. Also, when there is a issue like wire snapping or fallen off the pole, the fluctuation in the current rating, voltage rating can alert the systems on the front end, as well as it will alert the microcontroller that is connected to the nearest substation, which will turn off the power using a relay switch. Understanding the solution in depth, here we have the architecture diagram. So basically on poles there is a small device which has voltage sensor, current sensor, tilt sensor, and it has also a microcontroller that is ESP32. So basically all the poles that are under a substation will send the real-time data to the main IoT gateway that is set on the substation, that is Raspberry Pi, and this data will be transferred to the backend and it will be shown by real time on front end, as well as when there is any problem, the fallen off the pole or wire snaps, there will be a threshold set for the fluctuation of the voltage and current ratings or tilt sensor. By that, from the IoT gateway, we can turn off the actual power cutoff using a relay switch. This data of the voltage and current sensor is also stored in database, which can be used for the analytics. In analytics, we can show the usage of electricity via for particular villages. Now we will see the live demonstration of the project. Let's start with the live demonstration of the project. First of all, we will sign into our website. After sign in, we will land to the dashboard page, which shows recent alerts, map. In map, we can see the devices as well as quick controls. Here, if we click on any one of the device, we will go to the device management tab. On device management tab, we will see all the devices registered. For registering a new device, we have to go to the admin panel and click on device registration. Here we will fill out some details like device ID. So new device, we will give ID as 008. For location, let's say I want to put a pole near Vishwakarma Nivas Boys Hostel. So I will choose a location near it. Here we'll paste the location, we'll set some thresholds and register the device. Device registered successfully. So after registration, we can see the device. Here there are devices in the database. If we refresh the page, yeah, here you can see the latest registered device as 008, also its location. So coming back to the project, after we go to device management tab, here we can see all the registered devices, and this is the S008 newly registered device. If we go to any device, we will see here live readings of current, voltage and tilt. Until now we have just integrated voltage sensor to the ESP32. That is the reason we can see here live voltage rating. We will integrate the current and tilt afterwards. This is the live voltage reading that is coming from ESP32. Here also you can see the button restart and shutdown. The shutdown button will close the relay switch that is connected to the ESP32, and start button will turn on the relay switch that is connected to the ESP32. And coming back to dashboard, here we can see power usage, active faults, total devices, etc. The number of these total devices, active faults are now not real. When we will complete the project, we will give the real numbers. There are two ESP32 ports. One is at the power station side and one is at the pole side. So we can see here the power station side ESP32 has connected a relay and the pole side has connected to the voltage sensor. Currently we can see that relay switch is off. So coming to the front end, if we click here on the restart button, the relay switch will turn on. Now here again on the front end, if we click on the shutdown button, the relay switch will turn off.